Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes QVC as part of its channel lineup? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you whether you can watch QVC on YouTube TV. If you're a fan of shopping or lifestyle programming, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, QVC is not included in YouTube TV's standard package or any of its add-on options. This means you won't be able to access QVC's live shopping shows or exclusive content directly through the YouTube TV platform. However, if you're looking to watch QVC, there are alternative ways to enjoy it. You can download the standalone QVC app on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile phone, or visit their website to stream live content. Additionally, some cable providers may offer QVC as part of their packages if you're set on accessing it through traditional means. While YouTube TV excels at offering live news, sports, and entertainment channels, QVC falls outside its current lineup. Keep an eye on YouTube TV's updates, though, as channel offerings can change over time. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV includes QVC, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.